Hi guys, so welcome to Cooking with Tucker. So today we're going to make a mini chocolate mug cake. This is going to be fun. It's going to require 2 tablespoons of self-rising flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. Then we're going to mix everything together and microwave for 1 minute. But be careful, it's hot. Yeah. So, first I'm going to put in the 2 tablespoons of self-rising flour. I think you guys can see me. Now I've put it in. I'm going to shake it around a little bit. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Then I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of oil. You can shake it around as needed to make sure it doesn't go over. If you've got that type of thing. Now I'm going to put in my 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips, because you never know when you got a mini chocolate mug cake. Now I'm going to mix everything together. I don't think I've added my water yet, people. So I guess I need to add more water. I'm going to go grab that real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, now I'm going to stir it all up, all good and nice. So yeah. Just stirring it up right now, guys and girls. Make sure it's all stirred up. Make sure you get all that stuff stirred up, because there tends to be some flour and stuff left over at the bottom. Still stirring. Might be a bit sticky. So I would recommend using either like a little baby fork or like a spoon or something. And now it should be ready to put in the microwave. Now it's ready to put in the microwave. So I'm going to put my fork down. And I'm going to put this chocolatey mixture right here in the microwave for a minute. Okay guys, so now it's in the microwave for a minute. So, it's a pretty good recipe. Just a mini chocolate mug cake. So it's probably pretty much an easy recipe for making a mini chocolate mug cake. Because I mean, who doesn't like chocolate? Chocolate is very tasty, people. I mean, if you're like me, you like chocolate. So it's a nice little snack or something. Or maybe a nice little dessert. You should try it with your family. Or maybe even your friends. Because, yeah, chocolate's pretty good. I'm going to go check my timer. Okay, it's got about 10 seconds left or so. So, yeah, shouldn't take too long. Just go right on there. Okay, it's done. Looks pretty good. Just a cup full of chocolate right there, people. Cup full of cooked chocolate. It pretty much looks like a brownie. So yeah, you should try it. Just a good chocolate. So yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, because I'm going to go try my nice old brownie or mini chocolate mug cake. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.